There you go, vlogger and a slot manager. Okay, right guys, I'm going to teach you how to lift this 60 pounds dumbbells properly lift up. See, hold your left side, then bend your knee and then straight back, and then bring it up. Yeah, see, you have to put it in your shoulder. You have to hold it back, bring it up, then you can start doing the back side, up and down, but you have to bend your knees, then keep distance of your 2 feet, and then when you put it down, you put it back in your shoulder. Yeah, hold it, the other one, and then hold the other side. See, look at that, what I did, and then hold the other side and pull it down. Alright, let's do it one more time, guys. Hold the dumbbells from your right side and then overlift, and then directly pull it to your shoulder. Yeah, put it to your shoulder. See, look at me now. Hold, and then okay, move your feet away, and then all right, look at my hands at the back, and then put it down properly. 1, 2 and 3. Right?